Good morning, children. Now we are going to see term 2 portions for maths, okay? First standard, second standard. Okay, children, we completed the term 1 book, we finished. Now we are going to take new book. See here, term 2 book. See here, term 2, volume 2 we are going to see. Okay, children, all of you should get your term 2 book. Okay, now I am going to teach you. See children, first unit 1 is geometry. Okay, we are going to see the properties of 2D shapes. 1.1 is properties of shapes. See here, ask the students to form a circle. Okay, holding their hands. Then call any 3 students to act like lamb, sheep and fox. Make them to play the game as follows. See here, the students are standing, joining their hands and standing in a circle. In that 3 students are going to act like fox, sheep and lamb. Okay, the young one of the sheep is called lamb. See here, I am fox. I want to see the lamb. Did you see it? Who is asking? Fox is asking. I am fox. I want to see the lamb. Did you see it? They are asking to the children. That fox is asking to the children. Yes, yes, yes. It is very safe inside. What the children are saying? We saw the lamp. Yes, yes, yes. But the lamp is inside the circle, very safe. See here. Joining their hands and forming the circle, students, the lamp is inside. Okay, what fox is asking, can you open the gate and give the way? So open. See, they are saying, fox is saying to open the gate. Gate means what? They are joining their hands now here. They are saying to open it. Fox is saying, no, 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 we won't give way. Close, close, close. No, no, we won't open the gate. Close, 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 close. The children are saying, why? Because the fox will come inside and take the lamp. So that next, who is coming? I am the sheep. Did you see my little lamb? I am searching him for a long time. What the? Again, fox went off. They closed the gate. No, fox went off. Then sheep is coming. What the sheep is saying? I am the sheep. Did you see the little lamb? சின்ன குட்டியை பார்த்தீங்களான்ட்டு the students கிட்ட கேட்குறாங்க. What the students is saying? Yes, yes, yes. The students are saying yes because the lamp is inside the circle only. Very safe. Give way to me to enter inside. What lamp is asking? Give way. Open your hands. I'll go inside and take my lamp. The sheep is saying, yes, yes, yes. Here is the way open for you. See here. Yes, yes, yes. Here is the way open for you. They opened their hands and the lamp went inside and took his young one. The sheep went inside and took the young one, lamb, and came out. They are playing the game like this. Actually, the fox, the sheep and lamb are the 3 students, children. They are acting like that. Okay. See here, closed means this is closed. Open means here open. Okay. Page number 1. This one is page number 1. Children, this is term 2 portions. Now I am taking is term 2 portion. New book. Okay. Properties of 2D shapes. Let us learn the properties of 2D shapes. First we are going to see the square shape. See here, the shape is square. Page number 2. This one is page number 2. Square shape. See here, the stamp is in square shape. The square has, see here, 4 sides. This 4 sides. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay. It has 4 corners. See here, this is corner. 4 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 corner. The square has 4 sides, 4 corners, all the sides are equal. This is equal to this, this is equal to this one is equal to this. All the 4 sides are equal. Okay, see here, it has 4 sides, 4 corners, equal, sides are equal. Okay children, next we are going to see the rupees note, 50 rupees note. 50 rupees note is in what shape children? Say rectangular shape. Okay, rectangle. See here, this is rectangle. See here, rectangle. The rectangle has, see here, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. See, 4 sides. 4 sides. 4 corners. See here, opposite sides are equal. This is equal to this. This opposite sides means idura edirla irukkuradhu. This line is this horizontal line, no, this side is equal to this, this is equal to this. Okay, see here, this is equal to this one is equal to this, opposite, this opposite, this side, this opposite, this side. So opposite sides are equal. Opposites sides are equal. Understand children? This is square, this one is rectangle. Square has 4 sides, 4 corners, all the sides are equal. Rectangular has 4 sides, 4 corners, and then opposite sides. This is opposite to this one is opposite to this one. Opposite sides are equal. Then we are going to see rectangle. See, triangle. Sorry, triangle. What is this one? Triangle. See how many sides it's having. See here, 1 sides, 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. Easy to understand children. 3 sides. How many corner? 1, 2, 3 corner. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corner. It will be unequal. Okay, see here, this side won't be equal to this one, not equal in size. Okay, it will be in any shape. Size can be equal or unequal. Sides can be equal or unequal. It can be equal also or not equal. See here, another triangle I am going to draw. These sides are equal. For this, sides are equal. For another triangle, sides won't be equal. See here, having 3 sides, 3 corner, but sides are not equal for this triangle. Okay, next we are going to see circle. Okay, see here, circle, coin shape is circle, bangle shape is circle. Then this one, traffic signal, light will be the yellow, red and green light. That signal will be in triangular shape. For this example, stamp. For rectangular example, this notebook and rupees notebook, 100 rupees note, then 50 rupees note. For this example, traffic signal light. For this coin, bangle, this is a circle. Circle, no sides. See here, any side is there? No, only this curve. Only curve is there. Okay, no sides. Then no sides. These are properties. No sides, no corner. Okay, children? It is a closed curve. Okay? It is a closed curve. C-U-R-V-E. Okay, children? See the spelling square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Understand children? 4 sides, 4 corners. Sides are equal for square. For rectangle, 4 sides, 4 corners. Opposite sides are equal. This is opposite this one opposite this one. Triangle, 3 sides, 3 corners can be equal or unequal. Curve, circle, no sides, no corners. It is a closed curve. Okay children? Then see here, page number 3 we are going to see now. Page number 3. If you get your term 2 book only, you can understand children, then only you can take the page numbers. See here, write C for closed shape. And O for open shape. In the given space. See here, they have given square. For that you are going to write CRO. See here, next shape. If it is closed means you should write C. If it is open, see here, open. Open means you should put O. Okay. Then this is, what children say, this what shape is this one? Rectangular shape. This one, parallelogram. This is triangle. This is circle. See children, say this one, what will come? C for closed. See here, fully it is closed, no space is given. So what you should write? C, closed figure. Then see here, open is there. Then what you should write? See here, O for open. So you should write here O. See here, this one, fully closed, no space, fully closed. So write C. See here also, fully closed. Okay, no space. Then C, closed, C. See here also, fully closed, no space. So write C. See here, open space is there, some gap is there. So write open, O. See here, here also fully closed. So write C for closed. Here open space is there. Write O. See, it's page number 3, it's here. See here. Okay? Page number 3. Then draw open space for your choice. They have given some space and given you to do. Okay? Draw open space for your choice. Draw a closed shape of your choice. So, I am going to draw one. You are going to draw of your own. After getting the book, you draw, children. This is book exercise. After getting the book, you note in that. See here children, draw, open, shape. Shapes of your choice. Miss will draw one, next you draw of your own. After getting the book, you draw. Closed shape. Of your choice. Whatever you can draw. See here, Miss is going to draw open. See here. This is open. See here, Miss has given here gap. Okay. Next I am going to draw closed, fully closed. See here, fully closed. Miss has drawn one for example for you. The rest shapes, you can draw any shapes. Okay, draw any two. Okay, draw any two shape. Okay, children. Now complete the table. Page number 3, they have given complete the table. Same page number only. Page number 3 only. See here, complete the table. See here, shapes they have given. Shape. Then number. Number of sides. Then number of corners. Already I thought you know. You are going to say now. How many sides? How many corners? Then tick. One of the statement. Any one statement you have to tick. True. Name the shape. Then you are going to write the name. What shape? Tabular column. First they have given one shape. We are going to say what shape is that. Say children, what shape is this one? Name of the shape, what will come in the last column? Square. Okay, how many sides is having? See, 1, 2, 3. 4 sides. You should write 4. How many corners? Already I explained you. Say children, how many corners? Yes, 4 sides. Okay, 4 sides. 4 corner will come here. See the statement they have given. What statement they have given? All the sides are equal. All the sides are unequal. See here, all the sides are equal. You should tick that statement. Okay. You should put tick. Okay. All the sides are equal. Here another statement. Sides are not equal. All the sides are unequal. Okay. Unequal. So, all the sides are equal, all the sides are unequal. See here, all the sides are equal. So put tick for the true statement. Okay. Then what is the name of the shape? Square. Name of the shape is SQUARE. Square. See next one. What shape is the next one? Rectangle. See here. Rectangle. See here, this is opposite side. This is opposite to this one. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 sides. How many corner? 1, 2, 3, 4 corner. So, all the sides are equal. Opposite sides. You should tick for that statement. Opposite. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are unequal. Unequal means not equal. See here, what will come? See here, opposite sides means this side to this one to this one. Okay, opposite. Idukku opposite idu, idukku opposite idu. So, opposite sides are unequal. Put tick for this one. Okay, the name of the shape. What is the name of the shape? Name of the shape is rectangle. 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 Okay, children. Then now we are going to see the next shapes. Finished, children? Otherwise, take your notebook and note down it. Okay. Next, we are going to see what is the name of the shape, children? Triangle. How many sides? 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay. How many corners? 1, 2, 3 corner. Okay. The statement. What statement will come? It has three sides. 3 sides only, no, children. Another statement. It has 4 sides. Say how many sides? 1, 2, 3 sides only. So this statement only correct. The name of the shape is triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Next we are going to see circle. What is the name of the shape? Circle. It has no sides. So I'll put here dash. Okay. For this no corners. I'll put here dash. Then it is a straight line. The statement. See whether it is a straight line. Or it is a curve line. It is a curve line. CURVE. Curve line. What statement is correct? It is a curve line. So put your tick in the box. So name of the shape what, children? Say circle. Yes, circle. Name of the shape is circle. 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 Okay, children. Rest we can continue in the next class. You will learn the shapes, children, at home. Note down in your rough notebook and learn the shapes. Thank you, children.